Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we have song part 2, Model 9. You can go to your student book page 103 and your workbook page 91. We really have an interesting class today, and we only have one objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use enough and to correctly in speaking and writing. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, in song part 1, you learned some advice about how to save the environment, such as it isn't too hard to make the world cleaner, and you are never too young to save the environment. Could you please stop the video for a minute and tell me what you notice about these two examples? Great. Now, let's read some more examples. My tea is too hot. My tea is too hot to drink. We use to plus adjective, for example, too hot, and we use to plus adjective plus to verb, too hot to drink, when we talk about a negative thing. That means something we cannot do. My tea is too hot. My tea is too hot to drink. Look at this picture, guys. Here the sun, and here is the temperature, which is very high. So we say it is too hot today. Look at this picture. It is very snowy, and this boy is trying to play outside. Can he? Of course not. It is too cold to play outside. And look at this child. Can he drive the car? Of course he can't. He is too young to drive a car. Now look at these three pictures. Here we have a snowman. Here we have a man carrying a rock, and this is a giraffe. So let's read these examples. There is enough snow. We can make a snowman. He is strong enough to carry the rock. The giraffe is tall enough to reach the top of the tree. Could you stop the video, guys, and tell me what you notice here? Okay, now let me explain it to you. We can say enough plus noun, or adjective plus enough plus verb to talk about ability to do something. That means something we can do. This is, there is enough snow. He is strong enough to carry the rock. The giraffe is tall enough to reach the top of the tree. Do you think we have enough tomatoes to make salad? Yes, there are many. We have enough tomatoes so we can make salad. Look at this lake. Do you think we can swim here? Yeah, it is warm enough to swim in the lake. More examples. Look at this place, guys. Do you think it's a good place to take a selfie? Of course, it is so beautiful. This place is good enough to take a selfie. Let's have a look at the grammar rule. You can't drive a car. You are too young. We use too plus young. Adjective. You are too young to drive a car. I can't carry these bags. I'm not strong enough. We can say, I'm not strong enough to carry these bags. Here you have a simple task to make sure you understood how to use too and enough. Please go to your student book page 103 and underline the sentences with too and enough in this text. Please stop the video and do the task. Okay, let's check your answers now. It's easy enough to start recycling today. Perfect. Can you find more examples? You are never too old, you are never too young. Excellent. More. You are never too old, you are never too young. Could you find more? Yeah, it isn't too hard to make the world cleaner. It isn't too late to make the earth greener. Well done. You are never too old, you are never too young. Perfect. Dear students, I'm sure you understood the structure today, but let me remind you again. We use to plus adjective or to plus adjective plus verb when we talk about something we are not able to do, something we cannot do it. For example, my grandmom is too old to walk fast. And look at the side, we use enough plus noun or adjective with enough plus verb when we talk about something we are able to do, means something we can do. For example, my brother is tall enough to play basketball. Great. It is time to practice now. Please go to your workbook page 91 and fill in the space with to or enough. Now you can stop the video and do the task. Okay, let's check your answers. Number one, the children aren't old, space to ride the roller coaster. The children aren't old enough. Perfect. Number two, Tim can't win the race. He isn't fast, space. He isn't fast enough. Fantastic. Number three, Hakim can't drive. He is space young. He is too young. Excellent. Number four, I can't reach the top of the cupboard. I'm not tall enough. Well done. Number five, it is space late to watch a documentary now. It is too late to watch a documentary now. A good job. Number six, are you strong space to carry this big box with me? Are you strong enough? A good job. Number seven, I can't do this activity. It's space difficult. It's too difficult. Well done. Now it is time to practice orally. Look at the pictures, then talk about what the people can or can't do. Use to or enough. We have four sentences here, guys. 1. Mr. Smith old ride a bike. 2. My brother, not tall, go on the roller coaster. 3. My sister, old, cook. Number 4. My uncle Amir, tired, play basketball. So, you are going to stop the video and then make sentences using to or enough. Then say the sentences loudly. Okay, let's check if you made sentences correctly. Mr. Smith is too old to ride a bike. Number 2, my brother isn't tall enough to go on the roller coaster. Number 3, my sister isn't old enough to cook. Number 4, my uncle Amir is too tired to play basketball. Well done. Now, guys, say the sentences loudly. Hey, we made it, guys. This is the last exercise. Now, go to your workbook page 91. Complete the sentences about you. Use to or enough. You can stop the video and do the task. Great. Now I'll show you what I wrote about myself. You can write whatever you want. What matters is you use to or enough correctly. See what I wrote? I'm too young to go mountain climbing. Number 2, I am old enough to drive my dad's car. Number 3, I can't go sandboarding. It is too risky. Number 4, I can't build a new house. I am not rich enough. Excellent. Now, guys, this is the end of our class today. Please don't forget to do your daily assessment on Teams Model 9 Song Part 2. Thank you very much and bye.